Hello. What's going on?
He's recording now, so you don't even have.
He threatened all of us too.
What's that?
He threatened all of us too. So.
All right, so here's.
A dispute over airplane seating quickly escalated when a passenger refused to leave the aircraft after being ordered off by the crew. Police were called in, and the situation ended with 2 arrests.
He's traveling with his kids and another family member, his grandmother. He placed the seat, he placed the daughter in someone else's seat. And while we seated them with the grandmother, with the adult, part of the family, he removed the daughter and put them in the other seat beside him and the other daughter, which was assigned to someone else.
Not part of his family, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Flight attendant asked, to put the daughter back with the grandmother so the other person would sit in their assigned seat. He refused to do it. He was non-compliant, very combative. He asked him to get off the aircraft, get his stuff, and get off the aircraft. He was very rude. He thought it would become threatening. And he was non-compliant, very combative, and not listening to any of our instructions. I tried to have him I will card here a notice of non-compliance. He refused to take it. He started recording me, which he has a right to. But I did let him know I don't consent to him recording me. Right here. So we'd like him off the aircraft. The flight crew is not comfortable. They're not safe with him.
Okay, so who you want off the aircraft? Just him?
The gentleman right here.
The kids can fly with grandma?
If he's willing to let the kids go to grandmother, but he's going to have to get off. Who doesn't want him on board? They're not safe. Don't consent to him on board.
Okay.
We were willing to rebook him on the next flight. Very combative, non-compliant, not listening at all.
Okay. All right. So this is what's going to happen, all right?
Yes.
The pilot doesn't want you on the plane. The crew doesn't want you on the plane.
For what reason?
They don't have to have a reason.
They need to have a reason.
No, not by law. No. Once the pilot says
To
you're off,
take me
you're off.
down on the plane with my kids and my disabled mother?
So your kids can stay with your mother if that's what you want?
No.
Okay. So listen, this is what's going to happen. I'm going to tell you now. I'm going to tell you this is the way it works. Okay?
Yes.
Well, they can come off with you if that's what you want. That's fine. All right? They're your kids.
For
you can take
for
them.
what reason?
Because apparently you're not following rules.
I am following rules. Why?
All right?
I was on my seat.
Okay.
Come on, I'll show you.
I don't need to go anywhere.
I'll show you my
Okay?
seat.
So
I have
if
my
you refuse,
ticket.
listen,
I
if
have
you refuse to come off, you'll be arrested. Everybody on this plane will have to come off and you'll be arrested. As
For
simple
what?
as that. All right?
Look, this is my seat, 25D.
Okay.
Can I come and show you where is
No.
my seat?
No.
This is my seat, so you are doing something wrong.
No, have nothing to do with the plane.
My daughter was supposed
All
to change the seat, but the person...
I'm giving you, are you going to come off the plane or no? That's all I need
I
to
am
know.
on my seat. Look, this is the 25D, and I registered where I'm sitting.
Okay, are you understanding what I'm telling
I
you?
am sitting on 25D.
Okay. He's going under arrest. Hands behind your back. Do it now.
Put my hands behind your back.
I am putting my hands behind my back.
I got it.
Drop the phone. Drop the
You don't want to do it the right way, right?
Okay.
I want you to come off with your kids,
Okay.
or your kids to go with your mother.
Okay.
But you want to go to jail, so that's what's going to happen.
Okay.
As well.
You don't know how to attack at all. Get down. Get down.
Bibi stala! Bibi!
30, give me another unit.
Bibi stala!
Get down. Turn around.
Bibi stala! Bibi stala! Bibi stala! Bibi stala! Bibi stala! Bibi stala! Aiutami! Aiutami! Aiutami!
Sit down. You will get your face.
Aiutami! 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 Sono bimbila! Bimbila! Aiuto, sono bimbila! Sono bimbila! Please! Please, sono bimbila! Please! Sono bimbila, please!
Take it slow down. We got 2 in custody.
Get from there, sir! Please, sono bimbi là. Mia moglie là. Please. Sono bimbi, sono formale. Fanno male i bimbi. Sono bimbi là. Oh. Ok. Oh, yeah.
Just wait till they rush them to get him.
Sono bimbi là. Sono bimbi là.
What's fun long or what's fun? This is fun.
Right.
You guys want me to open up? Y'all
Yeah,
good?
you good.
All right.
We'll wait till they rush them to get him. Just face the wall. You don't have nothing to talk about.
My mom.
You guys want to wait on them or yes, open the door?
My mom.
Yeah, compassion.
Just let him go. I
You don't
promise.
come running at the police like that.
I didn't do it
Let go.
No, usually he did.
because he was coming.
You wouldn't listen.
He was coming
That's
to
why
me.
you in cuffs.
He was coming to me. I promise you.
Well, the way of doing things,
Please,
obviously,
please
don't
do me a
call
favor.
that
Please do me a favor. Just let him go. Let him go, please. I'll do whatever you want.
I know you
I
would.
swear to God.
That's why
Whatever
you're
you
detained
want.
right now.
Okay.
This way right
I
there.
was never detained in my life. This is unfair.
You didn't want to listen,
I'm not saying that you are doing something unfair. Absolutely. I respect you. I respect your job.
Thank you for respecting me.
But please let him
Tell
go.
them.
Please. Please.
Just
Sorry, bimbi. Sorry,
let's go,
bimbi.
let's go.
Must
There's no debates here. We'll send somebody else come, then I walk out. Well, actually,
I need
you
somebody
want
to
to wait
get all the
because you
info.
got to get information. So wait. Just hold them out there till somebody else comes.
My mom is disabled. She cannot
Okay, we understand.
I just need your info.
Yeah.
And my flight and all that.
Yeah, find out if Roger can help you, but I have to get his statement.
Right? When your back was turned, Grandpa was trying to grab onto you. I had to grab him in that. I don't know if he's reaching.
Please just let my dad go. They can go home.
With that attack,
Your dad is also
that's an attack on a
Your
law
dad does
enforcement
attack
He
officer.
didn't attack anybody. He was coming to me.
The camera was there. It
He
sees
was coming
everything.
to me, man. Come on.
What's the phone number for
This is a
your
joke,
job?
man. This is a joke. I swear.
Whose phone number can I get? Erwin.
We took him, and I guess Dad came running after. They said when I was trying to pick up his phone, I
After
guess.
him. Yes, after me he was.
Then they went after Samaj.
After me he was running.
You don't need anything else on anyone on the
And I got the two
Who's
fans and a
Albert?
witness.
I am Albert.
That's me. So I need the one for the I can print it for you up here.
Can you please let my dad go?
That's not mine.
It's beyond that. It's too late now.
Please.
You didn't want to listen. You could have just came off by yourself and let your whole family fly.
The kids go.
That's how I tried to have you do, right?
It's been a week. They didn't
But you didn't want to listen.
It's been a week. They didn't see their mom. Please, officer.
It's not up to us.
It's all up front.
I need units with a cage. I don't have a cage. I'm in a pool car with no cage.
Well, can we transport it together?
Yeah, the father and son. So.
Where's your body? But you want both of the same.
They could both as father and son. So I just need to.
Please, I beg you, officer. Can you let him go? He has nothing to do with this.
You're talking on 3030. What's the case on this? 115. Well, you can come back on my check.
Sheriff, please, he has nothing to do with this. Please. Fucking I was never detained for anything. This is good. Please, can you let him go, please? Let him go. He has nothing to do with it.
him when I grabbed him, when I pulled him.
Is this Dad?
Yeah, that's
Alright, I'm gonna interview him real quick, so give me 1 second. Good evening. You want to tell me what happened today?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 1 second. Let me talk to Dad
My
first.
dad doesn't speak English.
He doesn't speak English. Okay, I'm gonna come around to you. Are you coming to go down to Foxtrot 9? Go to Foxtrot 9, get all of the flight crew information. I'm gonna be down there in a second to interview. Okay, tell me what happened.
Yes, sir. So I entered the plane with my kids after 2 hours and a half that we're waiting. They changed our gate from G to F. And my mom is disabled with a cane. I have a little baby and everything. We sat on the row 25, me and with my kids, and they were in front of on the 26th. They were in front of me on the 25.
Okay.
There was one seat empty for another passenger, and the passenger was complaining that I think my daughter was at his seat, and he was arguing with a flight attendant. And that person, he said, "It's fine, I can sit there." And then he said, "Show me the tickets." I showed him the tickets. I'm like, he said, "No, you need to change." I'm like, "I need to sit with my kids because my kids are 3 and 9." And the guy, the passenger said, "It's fine, I can sit there." And then he started like accusing me about why you're sitting here, why you're lying. I'm like, "What do you mean?"
Okay.
And like he raised the voice to me, and I'm like, "Why are you raising the voice to me? We've been waiting for 2.5 hours delay. I'm here with my kids and everything. So what is the problem?"
Okay, I understand that frustration. So then they decided they wanted you off the plane.
Yes.
Okay.
But I didn't see you're a sheriff.
Yes.
I didn't see a reason why to get off the plane.
Okay. But
And I asked
did a deputy tell you you needed to leave the plane?
before the deputy. I asked them what is the reason they don't feel safe. I asked them what is the reason why they don't feel safe.
Okay.
But they didn't give me a
that you
reason.
needed to leave the plane?
They didn't give me a reason.
Okay, but did a deputy ask you to leave
Yes.
the plane? Okay. Why did you not comply when they told you you needed to leave the plane, a law enforcement officer?
I told the deputy too. I thought he was just trying me.
Okay. And so what
Absolutely,
happened?
that's what I thought. Because it's not that I don't want to complain with law enforcement. I've been in the U.S. for 13 years. I never had a problem with anybody.
Okay.
Actually, never. I grew up in Italy. Never had a problem with the law in my life. This is the first time that I'm in cuffs.
When they came to take you out of the plane, did you comply with them?
Yes.
Okay, so you walked with them.
Yes. And then my dad, when he saw me on cuffs, he was running to me, and they thought he attacked them, but he didn't. I swear to my life.
Okay. Do you have any injuries?
I don't have, and my shoulder is hurting because of the nose injury, but
Okay.
I'm fine.
Okay.
If you can help me with my dad, I
Could
can.
you ask your father if he's okay?
He said, "I don't care. They put me on the ground, but I don't care."
I just want to make sure that he doesn't have any
I
injuries.
saw his wrist is bleeding.
Okay, I'll take a look at that. Here's what I'm going to do. In just a minute, I'm going to take you out first. We're going to photograph you. Then I'm going to take him out and photograph him. So let him know that in a minute, I'm going to take him out of the car to photograph him.
Is there a way for him not to do this?
No, you can't. If you, the way he approached deputies and what happened
He
is
didn't.
he's got to go.
I swear to my life.
I understand. Listen, I'm being honest with you.
Your
I don't have a choice.
your dad would have done the same thing if he saw you on cuffs.
And that
right?
may be the case, but it doesn't make it right. Okay, you don't come after
Absolutely,
law
and I told
enforcement.
him why he came. He said, "I came out only because your kids were screaming."
I
crying."
understand. Unfortunately, at the end of the day,
The son was charged with trespassing and resisting without violence, while the father was charged with interfering with an arrest. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more real body cam footage.